Well, it's a double feature tonight. We have a treat especial. I steal lines from all over YouTube, whatever. We have a little unboxing. I'll give you a hint. It's gonna be cool. Oh, baby. Oh, yeah. We all know what this is. Okay, no copyright strikes tonight. Thank you. Yes. This is the, Aoshima? No. It's the, let's see here. Universal. What brand is this damn thing? I've had this for a while. But, oh my God. Miracle House. That's it. Miracle House. This is an itty-bitty little 1/48 scale die-cast and plastic toy display model. It is gorgeous. Alrighty. Oh yeah. One of my crown jewels. We got our little booklet here. We're just gonna leave that in the packet. Let's open her up. Ooh, what do we have here? I had this displayed once for a short period of time, and then we moved, and then it went bye-bye, back into its box. Oh, it is epic. It is just gorgeous. AAA batteries. Wonder if I have some. Didn't leave the batteries in it. It's got some weight to it. I mean, look at that paintwork. Is that not gorgeous? Look at that. We have an upcoming Airwolf project. A lot of you may not know this thing is about to exist in the real world, but let's tuck this fella away. All right, got our little base. Airwolf, baby. Oh, the lady. Oh, we all love the lady, don't we? We're gonna tuck that in there. Take our little pieces of foam out. Look at this beaut. But we're gonna be building an Airwolf. Not a functioning RC Airwolf. I mean, those have been done and they're phenomenal. We're just gonna be building a little static Airwolf. Little. You've kind of figured out the theme of this channel so far. You have a little shmoo on here? That's just from my dirty hands. A blade. The factory paint from Miracle House is gorgeous. Top of the blade, all white. Bottom of the blade, black and white. Yellow tips. Okay. This little guy just scooches on to that. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. It's gorgeous. We got something going on here. I forget how this thing... Honestly, I don't remember how it works. Oh, there we go. Look. This thing is slick. There's a little access panel there to get a screw out. Look at that. Working landing gear in 1/48 scale. This is gorgeous. Okay. Well, let's get the rest of this out of here. Here's our little stand. All right. And then we've got optional bottom plates, battery covers. Which one do you think we're going to use? Of course, we're using the ones with the missiles. Now, this says 2012 on it. So this little toy, my friends, is officially a decade old. And there's also side plates, smooth side plates, you know, in non-combat mode. But who uses those? We're going to use these little guys, metal pins. They go right in. Metal pin. Right there. Those go in. And then the bottom, she goes on like so. And then the little missiles slide forward. I think, do we have that backwards? I don't even know. No. That's the right way to put it on. Slide her forward. And this is the weathered model, so it's got a little bit of shadow and highlights there. And then she sits down in her cradle like so. And we will be back. We will get out the fancy turntable display doohickey. We'll get that out, and we will be right back. Oh yeah, there she is. Oh boy. All right, I really don't know when, how, or if we'll get our first copyright strike. So far we've been doing okay. So the real magic trick of, this is also, the little AAA batteries, and the thing spins, and it worked the last time I tried it, which was probably about 5-6 years ago. It's been sitting in the box ever since. I only turned it on once in a while. I mean, this is going to be in your cabinet, and you're going to admire it, and that's that. But yeah, the internals, something's going on with either the electric motor or the gear train inside of this. Luckily, it is serviceable-ish if you're handy. Luckily, we're a little handy. My wife would say handicapped on occasion. But yeah, there's Airwolf. There's the 1/48th Mega House. These, you can still find them on eBay for outlandish prices. But that is it. It is lovely. I mean, here it is next to a can of beer. It's a little tiny guy. There's a Master Grade Gundam for comparison. No, don't hit him. There you go. Whoa, he still hit him. Okay. But yeah, I love Airwolf. If anyone watching this doesn't love Airwolf, well, you wouldn't be watching this. But yeah, this is, I feel, the most beautiful, other than building it yourself, other than building your own scale model from, I think, Aoshima, this is gorgeous. It's heavy, it's die cast, it's beautiful. 5 years ago, those damn blades spun. The main rotor and the tail rotor both spun in unison. It'll be a fun project trying to fix this, I think. Because I want it to work. It doesn't need to, because we just display it like this. But yeah, you're supposed to hit the little red button underneath it, and the blades are supposed to start spinning, but they're not spinning. So that's that. Let's just take her down here. You got these little chaff doors, the little chaff doors in the back. They open. The cockpit door, those open on both sides. I mean, she's a gorgeous little thing. But I'm also going to use this. I love, they got the burnt stainless steel, yeah, like a motorcycle exhaust. These are little turbo thrusters. That's our power button. But yeah, not doing anything at the moment. It spun a little bit. It sputtered. I was tapping on it and playing with the shaft. It sounded good. And she did sputter to life at one point. But I mean, ooh, you hear the noise, the Airwolf noise. That is a gorgeous, gorgeous little piece of kit there. So, either way, that's it for this episode of Pit Stain in the Basement, doing stuff. But either way, I hope you enjoyed my semi-amateurish toy review of a very hard-to-get, expensive-y little thing. I don't know when the last time they made these were. There's some on eBay. Go enjoy the sticker shock if you want to buy one. 1/48th scale Miracle House Airwolf. And this is, I believe, the weathered version. Because we prefer weathered on this channel, as most people do. But that's it. We're signing off. We'll see you later. Adios, amigos.